Alright, so it looks like you ordered an RV mattress, and if you're a dumbass like me, you got one that's too big for your RV. Little did I know that the RV queen is different than a regular queen. It's actually shorter. So as you can see here, if you can see it, this bed's shorter than the mattress. So, a couple things I could do. I could return the mattress, which is going to be a pain in the butt considering I brought it in here when it was all scrunched up and now it's all blown up or, you know, expanded. So getting this thing out of here is going to be a pain in the butt. And then what? Then I try to sell it. I could try to sell it and then buy a mattress of the right size. That's not really going to work. I kind of want an easy fix. I don't want to do any more work because I'm already pissed. So here's what I found. This is some of the recommendations online from some mattress dealers. They recommend using a one of these carving knives to cut foam, and I'm going to try it on here. So hopefully this works and I can just cut off what I don't need and solve all my problems. So the one thing that will kind of suck is that this top sheet is fitted to the mattress, and I don't really want to try to order a new one or try to replace it. I kind of like this one. I might just try to tuck it in at the end here and see if that works. Worst case scenario, I'll have my wife or someone fix the stitching on it and shorten it somehow. So let me figure out and see how short I am over here. It looks like about 6.5 inches is what I'll have to cut off. Oh. The zipper is tucked in to this chingaderas, so that's going to be fun to get off. Unzip this. So if you can see how I'm actually using that wire tie again, or that whatever, to pull the zipper out. And then honestly, I don't want to take off the whole sheet because then I got to get it back on in this tiny little bedroom. But what I do want to do is just take this end off. Maybe get some good scissors when you do this. Now I'm going to take that previous measurement that I took from down below, and I'm going to trace the mattress up top here. Okay, so I got my line, and that line corresponds to the plywood that's underneath. And I'm going to bring it out just a hair because I don't want my blade to hit the plywood that's underneath here. So let's see how this goes. It's cutting pretty good. Literally like a knife through butter. Alright, so I got the first cut done. Now I'm going to dig this thing even deeper and go all the way down. If it'll even go that far, will it? Yeah. So there's that. So you can see my cuts were not all that perfect, so I'm gonna come back through and make sure they are. So it's not perfect, but it'll work. Now I'm going to close this thing up again. Close that back up again. And then go like this. And now the really crappy part is trying to find where this thing starts again. Zipper. So I'm just going to go ahead and follow it through all the way. So now it's zipped up again, and obviously this is a little loose because I took off 6.5 inches, but the side that I cut is going to go to the head of the bed. So the side that I cut is over here now, and although obviously the cuts were not perfect, you will never know. And you just do that. It's all tucked in. And if you look at this edge over here, it's pretty flush with that plywood that's down there. So now I have room to walk around here again. And I'm a huge fan of Tuft and Needle. It's a bed that we use at home, so I really wanted one here in the RV. So I was a little pissed at myself when I realized I bought one that was too big. So I'll get this bed made and I'll show you guys what that looks like. So there you have it. That's how you cut a Tuft and Needle, or for that matter any other kind of foam mattress. You got to peel back a couple layers, but look at that, when you're done you can't even tell that the edges were cut. There's very little cleanup, and other than that it looks great, and this bed's gonna feel great now. Now you don't have to wake up in back pain by sleeping on that 3-inch teddy bear mattress like I was doing. Alright, so in order to cut this mattress, I'm using this Hamilton Beach electric knife. It was around 20 bucks on Amazon, and it was a lot cheaper than returning or trying to order a new mattress and trying to sell this one, so I highly recommend it. And it serves a dual purpose. It cuts mattresses and it cuts turkey, so it's a, you know, good bundle there. I'll put the link on the bottom if you guys want to check that out.